Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to comment with a GIF on an Instagram post. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So this is a new update on Instagram where you can now comment with a GIF on Instagram. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store, search for Instagram, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and tap on open. Next, you want to scroll through your Instagram feed and you want to choose where you want to post a GIF as a comment. And now I'll choose this where I want to comment with a GIF. So I'll tap on this comment icon here, just next to your like button. Now for those of you who are getting this update, instead of post, you'll see GIF over here, which will look something similar to this one here. So there you go, you see a GIF, and just next to that, you'll see post. So for myself, I haven't got the update yet, and I'm still waiting. However, this is where you'll see the GIF icon. So to post a GIF on this comment section here, you need to tap on the GIF icon. Then you want to select a GIF from the bottom section here. Select a GIF. Once you select the GIF, then you need to tap on post, and that will post the GIF to the comment section above. And there you go, that is how to comment with a GIF on Instagram. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.